our dragons might just one day go back to the wild? You'd never do that to me, would you, bud? I didn't think so.
All the time.